everyone, I'm Sahana, and today was such an amazing day because I gave a big demo at school. Come with me as I head home, make a delicious lunch, and enjoy a relaxing night routine with a fun twist. Wow, I just finished my demo, and I feel so proud of myself. It was a little scary at first, but I gave it my best, and now I can walk home feeling happy and confident. Walking home feels so peaceful after the big demo, but my stomach is growling. I barely had time to eat today, so I better get home quickly and make something yummy to boost my energy. Finally, I'm home. It feels so amazing to step inside after such a busy day. I can relax, recharge, and maybe even cook something delicious before I start my evening routine. Home sweet home. I instantly feel relaxed and cozy. Now it's time to switch from school mode to food and fun mode, and I can't wait to make a delicious lunch for myself. Oof, this bag feels heavier than a giant, but that's okay because my demo went amazingly well. Whew, finally home, and now I can relax and think about what tasty lunch to make. Oh no, my stomach is officially in emergency mode. I need something to eat fast, or I won't have the energy for the rest of my day. Let's get cooking before my tummy wins. Welcome to my kitchen. This is where ingredients turn into magic. Today, I'm going to make a lunch that's tasty, fun, and full of energy so I can finish the day feeling amazing. What do we have here? Bread, veggies, spices. Oh, wow. I think with a little creativity, I can turn these into a lunch that's both fun and super delicious. Let's get started. All right, let's mix everything together. Cooking is like an adventure, and every ingredient is a clue to creating something amazing. Step by step, I'll make the perfect lunch just for today. Here we go, tossing in some crunchy veggies, a sprinkle of spice, and a little magic from me. Each movement makes the flavors dance, and I can already imagine how delicious this is going to be. And now for my secret ingredient. Shh, don't tell anyone. Just a tiny bit of this special flavor, and it will turn our lunch into something extraordinary. Are you ready to see the magic happen? Mix it up, mix it up. Cooking is more fun when you dance along with it. Every swirl and turn makes our lunch even better, and I'm having so much fun creating this delicious masterpiece. Wow, that is amazing! I didn't know my secret ingredient would make it taste this incredible. I think I just created the perfect lunch, and I'm so proud of myself. Cooking is fun, but cleanup is part of the adventure too. A quick wipe here, a little rinse there, and the kitchen is sparkling again. Now I'm ready for the next part of my evening routine. Now that lunch is done, it's time to relax a bit. Taking a few moments to breathe, stretch, and just enjoy the calm makes me feel ready for the rest of my evening adventure. Wow, look at this amazing book! I love discovering new stories and learning exciting things. I wonder what secrets it holds. Maybe today I'll learn something brand new. This tea is just perfect. It's so calming and warm. Moments like these remind me that even explorers need to pause, enjoy simple joys, and recharge before the next adventure. Now it's time for my nighttime skincare. Taking care of my skin helps me feel fresh and ready for tomorrow. A little cream here, a gentle rub there, and my skin feels happy and healthy. All set. Alarm is ready for tomorrow's adventures, and now it's time to snuggle in and rest. Sleep helps me recharge, dream big, and wake up ready to explore again. Nothing beats the comfort of my cozy bed after a long day. It feels so warm and safe. I can already imagine all the fun adventures waiting for me tomorrow. Wow! Look at how the lights shimmer and dance! It's like tiny stars right here in my room. I love imagining all the magical worlds they could be showing me. Once upon a time in a magical forest, tiny creatures discovered in sparkling hidden I can almost see them dancing between the leaves. How exciting to imagine being part of that adventure! Today was amazing. From discovering new things to creating something tasty, I learned so much. I can't wait for tomorrow's adventures and all the fun surprises that await. Every day is a chance to explore. Oh my goodness! Look at that! A little glowing surprise just popped up. How magical! I wonder what secrets it holds, and I can't wait to discover more tomorrow. Sleep just got a lot more exciting. Whoa! This little glowing object is so fascinating. I wonder how it works and what secrets it might have. Maybe it's magical, or maybe it has a fun surprise inside. Wow! Look at it sparkle and glow! It's like magic is alive right here in my hands! I can't wait to see what happens next. This is the most exciting bedtime ever! It's moving and changing colors all by itself. This little glowing friend is full of surprises. I've never had such a magical bedtime before. It's like a party just for me. Today was full of surprises and fun. From discovering new things to enjoying magical moments, I learned so much. I can't wait to see what adventures await tomorrow. Every day is a new chance to explore. Wow, I can't believe what just happened. This glowing friend has so many secrets, and I know tomorrow's adventure will be even bigger and more magical. I wonder what surprises are waiting. I can't wait!